topic. I wrote on the board one word. What is that, children? Yes, W-A-T-E-R. What is that? Water. Yes? What comes in your mind when you are hearing this word water? Yeah. Now, I'll ask you one question. After waking up early in the morning, you don't have water in your home. Taps are not coming. And first of all, the world, total, the earth, you don't have water. Then what is your position now? First of all, tell me what is the position in your home. After wake up from the bed in the morning, you don't have any water. What is the problem you get in your home? Yeah, you cannot go to washroom, cannot brush your teeth, you cannot bath, mother cannot cook the food, mother cannot wash the clothes, you cannot clean the utensils, yes, and you cannot get water for drinking. Mainly, for what purpose we need water? Mainly we need water for drinking. So, all these things may get stopped. Can we do all these things without water? Do we have any source in the place of water? No, we cannot. Can we clean the water with the paint? First of all, paint also mixing of water. Where do we are getting electric current from? Where we are getting this fan? How we are getting this electric power? With the help of water. Okay, without water we cannot live. As a human being, we cannot live without water. Drinking, mainly for drinking. Okay, now tell me, what are the things that we cannot do without water? What are the things? Means the meaning is uses of water. Yes or no? Uses of water. Now tell me, what are the uses of water? Yeah. If you tell, I'll write here. Yes? For bath. For bathing. Yes? Cleaning clothes. Mainly for drinking. Next, electricity. Next, cleaning the utensils. Utensils means what, children? Nothing but the dishes in our kitchen room. Do we have dishes in our room, kitchen room? Yes, that one we call as a utensils. Next, what is the use of water? Used for paintings. And animals also need water to drink. Not only us. Again, to whom they need? Yeah, animals also. And plants need water. So, what is the topic? I need water. Our topic is I need water. For what purpose you need water? For bathing, drinking, cleaning clothes, means washing clothes. What we call washing. So, washing clothes. We get electricity and we can clean the utensils. Animals also need water for drinking and plants also need water for growth. And we are also using paints. Okay, children, and mainly for in kitchen room, what we do? Cooking also we do. Yes, we need water for cooking. So, these are the uses of water. Now tell me, what are the some of the water where we cannot avoid wasting? I mean, the question is that without water, can we use any other sources in the place of water? No, we cannot use any other sources without water. We need compulsory water itself. Okay, children? Now tell me, what are the uses of water? These all are the uses of water. Okay, open your textbooks now.
Yes, children, open your textbook, page number 124. Uses of water. We need water. We use water for many things. We need water to drink. We need water to wash our hands and face. We need water to brush our teeth and have a bath. We also need water for cooking, washing car and clothes. We also use water to produce electricity. Electricity is used for fans and bulbs and machines to work. See the picture? Water is used in different ways. Next page. Yeah, page number 125. Ship in water. You can see the picture. We also use water for many sports activities like boating and surfing. We use water to a mode of transport. Yes or no, children? We use water as a mode of transport. What mode of transport? Water transport. Okay, now open your volume. Yeah, open page number 20. Write the date. I need water. How is water being used in the picture? How they are using right there. Okay, number 2. Write 2 uses of water without which we cannot live. Okay, write what are the uses, any 2 uses without water you can write here. Name an activity where you can save the amount of water used. Draw the activity. How can you save the water? That you can draw here. We can save the water in the rivers. We can save the water as a ponds. Okay. So no children, like that. Okay, you can write here, third one.